How to add Google Maps to your website in Wix Studio. In order to do that, let's head over and click onto this plus icon that we can see right here. Now, once we have clicked on that, next thing we need to do is just click onto this search and search in here for embed code. Now in here, just click onto this embed code option. And then from in there, make sure to click onto this embed code. You can just drag it and then input it wherever you want to put it into your site. So I have inputted it into this part, and as you can see, it now looks like this. What we can do is we can click onto this enter code, and then from in there, it should be able to open right here a window. So let's head over first into our Google Maps. Let's choose in here what we want to add into our actual Wix. So we have in here this. What we can do is you can click onto the share onto the bin, click onto this embed a map, click onto this copy HTML. Then let's head back right here into our Wix. So let's paste that right there. Click on update. And then after that, it should be able to load in order to add that particular part of our map. As you can see, it's now been added and we can now see it into our Wix website. So that's how you add Google Maps to your website in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.